Oh yeah, does this make you want to vomit in your mouth a little bit? Oh man, dude. Yo, what's up, what's happening, Captain? As you guys can see, it's the public school prodigy Paul Cantu back live outside the thrift store. Man, dude, across the street they're building these yuppie little cookie cutter condos. Ew. Looking like some bullshit generic farmhouses that probably cost upwards of 300K. Absolutely tripping. Guys, be a unique individual. Do not be like these houses and be a cookie cutter. So today we're gonna get unique, our style's gonna be on fleek, and we're gonna hop in the first thrift. Let's get it. Oh man, dude, live in the mix. They got the Christmas gear out. Just look at those Santas. Yeah, we hitting that slow, in-depth zoom right there. The back of Santa's little bonnet or chef hat. Dude, but we've already came up in the thrift. Hopefully they're not gentrifying this spot as well, but we shall see, man. But in the little t-shirt section, bro, you got the Iron Horse Saloon all over print. Yeehaw, daddy. But this is what I came for, baby. You have the big twin Aruba Harley Davidson. Got a little baddie on the back, even though you can't tell because that's the back of her damn head. But bro, look at that. Got the eagle looking lethal, boy. Beat gang. What y'all know about that single stitch real tree t-shirt? They're absolutely tripping. Maybe they are gentrifying up in here, bro. $6 for a tee? Come on, bro. Hey, this is apocalypse wear, though. Contemplative. Oh, yeah, dude. They got the pants to match it as well. This is what I love, man. That impractical camo colorway. What is this, like lava rock camo? Tripping. Sneaker section too lit, though. They got the Skechers, and then backdoor those with the little active Adidas boost. Yo, I would grab these to do yard work in, but you guys know my cock is way too long for these. Size 11? Nah, we 12 and up. Man, I can wear size 12 through 15. I just got to double up on the sock, you feel me? Hey, big sock, big what? Big foot. Oh, check these out too, bro. What in the hell? Was this person playing damn hopscotch on some stalactites? Bro, what the? How they destroy these like this? That's that major heel drag, bruh. Dude, I was right. Gentrification in full effect. They got the little Walker Texas Rangers jacket. 30 freaking bucks?
This shit sound crazy.
Bro, are you kidding me? Then they have the Chaps freaking factory error upside down logo. 15 bucks?
Wait a minute.
Wow, not like this. They got the little Lee Rider, bro. Wool interior. $13? Bro, they don't even have 13 floors and buildings, bro. They just go from 12 to 14. Come on, fam.
He will flee from you.
Dude, they actually have shit up in here, bro. They got that Mike Dickel exclusive. Bro, this is like a heavy V-neck pullover. Let your tits spill out that little neck. 20 bucks, bro. Come on, not like this. Russell? Damn. This shit looking like a whole slice of pumpkin pie. Bro, I swear Ross is starting to come at the thrifts next. $30 for this used reversible Tommy jacket.
I wish I might.
Bro, leave some meat on the bone for me to scavenge, bro. I'm trying to go vulture and they're not letting me.
Come on,
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
All right, guys. All that Santa face? Bro, why is that so creepy? I did manage to find a couple things that are decently priced. Look at this, $3. This is what I'm talking about, man. This is right up my alley. St. Louis Cardinals, bro. Hell yes. Go bird watching, baby. Get out in nature. Do something with yourself. You also have the vintage Carl Kanai. Look at that. This is like in a Miller Lite can color scheme, bro. All embroidered. Look at that beautiful neck with like the back of these arrow quill designs, all embroidered in it. It is like $8, slightly taxing, but this thing is just so crispy, so clean. I'll take it. Ooh, look at the little Coogee half zip with the slight little nacho stadium cheese like nacho drip. I said nacho twice. Hey, I'll say it 3 times. Nacho! Oh man, dude, this is why I come to the thrift, to get these bitches. Bro, they have the Orlando, Florida Cocker Spaniel tee. They got the little Great Britain, what is this, Jack Russell Terrier tee. And they got the little poodle tee. Shout out whoever was in Orlando making these oodles of poodles of noodles t-shirts. Dead stock. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here. Oh, it's been a little minute, man. But y'all know I always get erect for the vintage snapbacks. Dead stock, new with tags, like 7 bucks? Oh, then they got the Florida Gators? Hold on, let's see what they accent. Bruh.
Personal foul. Tripping.
Oh, now this right here ain't half bad, baby. Dressed kind of like a swagalicious leprechaun. Adidas track jacket, man. 7 bucks. This is new school, but my God, is it clean. Whew. All right, guys, I'm waiting in line, and they got some Jordan 15s in the bread color scheme, just chilling. Let's zoom in as far as we can go. Get some nice detail shots. Oh yeah, those look great, huh? Oh yeah. All right, so they're only 15 bucks, but look at that coin slot right there. Jesus. Pass. All right, guys, we are out of there. Oh man, that car's snout has seen better days. We're out of there, bro. Got a fat sack of fire. Yeah, dude, it was a hit overall. What's up, bro? How you doing? So yeah, the store came through, first spot of the day. Oh man, the chariot is just looking icy. Oh, look at this train. Hold on, hold on. B-roll, B-roll. I just hopped back in the car and I had to look up the bullshit price of those cookie cutter houses. Look how, come on, bro. Look how compressed they are, bruh. $350,000.
This shit sound crazy.
$362. Damn, and that one's under contract. Bruh, to live across the street from the Thrift, low key might be worth it. Tripping. And we've arrived. So we're outside of Goodwill. You guys might not be able to tell. Hopefully you did if you pay attention to where I go. I'm trying to switch up the route today, hit some new spots. I haven't been to a Goodwill in a minute though, for the reason that they low-key are kind of trash, no offense, but at the same time it's just an honest review. But let's get in here and see if they have anything. Prove me wrong, Goodwill, please. Okay, I don't necessarily feel like I was proved all the way wrong, but they had some things. We got some science and space shirts. You have the periodic table elements if you guys are interested, and looking down at your t-shirt while you're making meth. And then they also have the Failure's Not an Option Schmishmonian Apollo 13T and the Trans World Airlines t-shirt as well. All right, yeah, let's fly on to the next. And we've arrived. All right, Family Thrift Outlet on Hillcroft. Hold on, wait, why am I letting the mouth breathe? Bruh. First thing we found is low-key the bottom of a ship, dude. It's that hull. You have the St. Louis Blues vintage starter jersey. What in the hell, bruh? Damn. Oh, looking at. Hey, I'm still gonna get it though. It's all embroidered. Hey, real talk. The sleeve never deceives, even if it's the shoulder. What we got? Akeem the Dream. Oh wait, no. This is Charles Barkley, bro. Huh, young Charlie. When he was with the Rockets, Youth XL, low-key that can fit a small or a midget human. Let's get it. Hey dude, I want to shout out everyone who sacrificed their lungs, put their breathing on the line in exchange for that Marlboro merch. Bruh, look at this. But you guys don't even have to. Marlboro Adventure Team, if you guys want this, you can just venture on to thriftypeofvintage.com and keep your lungs intact and still rock some cigarette merch. Dang, that deer was about to risk it all, man. Maybe that is how Bambi's father died. Jumped in front of the train and just had enough with life. Hey, look at that little eagle too. I bet it tastes delicious. Y'all ever had eagle neck? Oh, the golden brown essential? That members only with the rainbow? Fuck with who?
Fuck with me.
Dude, I'm just picking up art, man. Look at this. I want to shout out my Thrift Guardian one time, man. You know, Tucci blondes. You guys, go show them love. But she just pulled up with the amazing, absolutely flawless Pablo Picasso jacket. Look at that satin sexiness. This thing does got the shoulder pad, so if you're trying to tackle someone, you know, just a random civilian, pedestrian, whatever, try to hit that hit stick, this got you, man. But I tend to lead with the crown of my helmet. That's why I'm concussed and have semi-brain damage. But dude, so did Picasso, and that's how I came up with these amazing designs. That's not fact at all. I'm talking too much. I'm gonna get it. Bro, Roadkill Cafe? High key, reuse, recycle. Hey, if it's dead, man, and only got a couple flies, only a few maggots, you can still eat that shit where I'm from, man. I like that. Hey, low key, high key. We found a grail. Every key crescendo. Is that what that's called? Bruh, look at this vintage Nike Air. Oh, Mighty Ducks color scheme. Oh, yes. Look at that green. Oh, they put 3 different color schemes of thread on that Air embroidery. What in the hell? What were you doing, bro? Sliding across the floor on like a, I don't know, torso propeller scooter? Bruh, this thing is nuts. Holy tits, man. No way. Bro, blessings, man. Straight up blessings. Oh, look at these, man. Dynamic duo. We're saucing like a dolphin. Approaching with caution. All embroidered on the tit, on the neck, and the screen printing. Flawless. Bro, why they spell dolphin like this? Actually, that makes a lot more sense than the way it's normally spelled. This is a fire jacket. No lie! Was this made for Genghis Khan, bro? That's a vintage windbreaker, meant for royalty. Hold on, look at this. You got a young Pegasus, huh? Oh, Rumpelstiltskin golden embroidered unicorn. Look at those sleeves, medieval shit. But then look at this tag. That does not fit in there, man. That's looking like an 80s like club. Dude, tell me why when I was pulling up to the store, I was just thinking to myself, man, I need some more all over prints. I just love rocking them. And I'm blessed with one right there, live in the Thrift. It says super rad, extreme, rock, superstar, yeah. What the fuck? What is this even for? I mean, the words are like a little, like slightly corny, but the design has me horny, bro. I'm sprung, she got me. Oh, it's a double stitch too. I don't care, bro. Hey, I'll take it. Oh, I finally found one for Kinky. I need to bring it back to the Thrift, bro. I miss you, Kinky. If you're watching this, you're probably not, you son of a bitch. But look at this, man. You have the vintage starter, University of Miami. It's all about the what? My brothers.
It's all about the youth.
And look at that, man. 2 hoods, 1 hoodie. Ooh. Oh, man, don't get me turned on. Guys, this is the 3rd Blues jersey I found, straight up. But this right here is my swag. This is like the game I can never figure out as a child, and that's why they think I'm dyslexic. I'd always try and fit the, you know, circle and the triangle peg. No, but seriously, look at this guy, man. Hold on. I don't know what I'll do if I stumbled out the shower in a robe and this dude that burrowed a little hole in my wall just winking at me like that. I'd be like this. Oh, stop it, Mickey, stop it. Be smart, don't start. Be drug free. And then they have a picture of a cigarette on there. What? Bruh, is a cigarette a drug? Come on, man, what y'all doing? Y'all confusing the youth. Oh, yes. Only Carhartt, man, would make the caressing a potato color scheme burlap sack type of vest. This is so hard. I've never really found a vest like this before. Wow, it's the first time for everybody, huh? My favorite conspiracy theory is Michelle Obama having a wiener. Look into it.
He looks like a man. Like dude looks like a lady, lady looks like a dude.
Oh, conveniently located beneath the Selena Gomez insoles. You had the shirt of a hard-working American man right there, daddy. Hey, this dude ain't pussyfooting around, I'll tell y'all that much, man. Single stitch. Spring Speedway Spectacular Car Show and Swap Meet Daytona Beach, circa 1994. Sometimes y'all ask me like, or y'all might wonder how to tell something's vintage. Bro, if you can take a whiff through a mask and it smells like a cheese-covered corpse, yeah, that's how you know. Hong Kong. Oh. Hey, speaking of cheese-covered corpses, maybe the cheese is from Wisconsin. I don't know how to do a Wisconsin accent, but you got the Green Bay Packers starter vintage snapback. Oh man, this thing has a crust dust bunny infestation. Oh my God! Holy Toledo. Hey, despite the fact that the Cowboys are straight atrocious, this crew neck sure isn't, man. Back-to-back Super Bowl chomps. Dallas Cowboys, look at that face mask. Old school. They don't make the quality like they used to, daddy. Look at that stripe. This is no screen printing. That's all embroidered, man. Polo Ralph Lauren Sport. Papa. Just wow, dude. Today has been just filled with a bunch of fire pieces. You have the Trudis Club cut and sew multicolored vintage denim jacket. And the tag, man. The tag is outstanding. Yes. Oh, Sesame Street, the adult years. Y'all didn't know Elmo had hands like this, though. Elmo sport vintage tee. Ooh. Is this the best day of my life, or what? Bruh. Grails on grails. I can't even see these things, but just off instinct, dude, I can smell them. Bruh, they got not one, not two, but 3 pairs of camo Crocs. Ah, these are actually my size. I'm an 11 in Crocs. 11 in Crocs. Bro! Hold on, man. Please be a size 12 in the mix. Yes, we got them right here, bro. Size 12 Crocs. Dude, you have the crocodile in premium condition on that, dude. And then these are size 10. So you got 10, 11, and 12. Yes, I might have to get all of them, honestly.
I'll drill y'all.
All right, I'm about to skedaddle out of here, but the last find is a straight grail, okay? Check it out, man. Polo Ralph Lauren all denim jacket. Let's just let that golden zipper, excuse me, might be bronze, just stroke it all the way down. Polo Ralph Lauren. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh, it's blurry, nice. Made in USA from imported and domestic fabrics. Cross-cultural collab, international relations, all on one denim Ralph piece with the corduroy collar. Fuck yeah. Woo-wee! And all right, daddy. So we're back home right now. Hopefully y'all did enjoy today's video. Man, if y'all did, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if y'all want any vintage gear, check out my website, thriftheavenvintage.com, and follow the Thrift Heaven official Instagram page to know when the drops do occur on site. That's how you guys stay in the loop, so do that. Also, I want to thank everyone who pulled up to the pop-up. I got some footage of that, and that's going to be dropping in my next unboxing. So stay tuned, man. I had a good time editing this video. I put in a lot of sound effects, and I actually wanted to do a fashion show at the end of this thing, but I'm getting a whole door replaced in my house, and yeah, I did. So I don't want to, you know, have people jigsawing my dick off while I'm trying to do a fashion show. But anyways, love y'all, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and until next time, I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.